Welcome to Blue Mountain Village, your premier ski resort in Ontario, Canada. Today's featured ski run is Tranquility. It is considered a blue run for intermediate skiers. Here's a map of Blue Mountain, and it shows you all the chairlifts and all the ski runs. Now we are going to shrink the map and show you where our featured ski run, Tranquility, is located. Now if you are an intermediate skier, I think this is one of the best intermediate hills at Blue Mountain. As you can see, I have circled Silver Bullet Express Chairlift. And right beside that is the Grand Central Lodge. Now if you need to rent skis or get a ski pass for the day, that's where you'd pick them up. Now if you're staying in the village at the Weeder Lodge, Grand Georgian, Weston, Mosaic, or Seasons, it's a short walk to this chairlift. Now I'm just gonna go over a little bit of information now. So this run is called Tranquility. The chairlift is Silver Bullet Express, which is a 6-man express lift. The difficult rating is blue, which means intermediate. The length of the run is 870 meters. It's a fairly long run for Blue Mountain, and the grade is -24 down. When you get to the top of the chairlift, you are going to go right. Here we are on the hill now. There's the Silver Bullet Express, a 6-person express chairlift, and there is the Grand Central Lodge right in front of you. That's where you'd get your ski rentals for the day or your ski pass for the day. To the right, you've got probably Rusty's, a great known eatery, the Weeder Lodge, Weston, all the hotels in the village. So when you're in the village, this is the chairlift you see, the Silver Bullet Express. Silver Bullet is a 6-person chairlift, but because of social distancing, fewer people are allowed on it. Another beautiful day at Blue Mountain. Now this is one of the first runs of the day. It is early in the morning. Sun is out, not a cloud in the sky. It's about 0 degrees, a beautiful day. Now on the left here we have our featured run, which is Tranquility. It is a blue run. And on the right through the trees is Smart Alec, also a blue run. So we're gonna head up here. And the thing I love about this run here is that as you're skiing down it, you ski basically into the village. It's one of the best kind of views coming down to ski right into the village. This is where all the hype is. You see a lot of people walking around the village, and you're gonna see when we ski down, you're gonna see the beautiful view coming into the village. Now as I turn around here, you can see Blue Mountain Village just off to the left, and past that you see a big body of water. That is Georgian Bay, and you can tell from the sky, it is a pretty clear day today. Sun is out, it's beautiful. And through the trees there, you can see the other blue intermediate hill, Smart Alec. Another beautiful day at Blue Mountain, and look at the hills. They are groomed. They look perfect today. We're gonna sit back and enjoy the chairlift. There on the top right, you can see the sign for Tranquility. So when you get off the chairlift at the top, you're gonna go to your right. just give you a little view from the top here. Beautiful day. Here we go. In my opinion, I think this Run Tranquility gives the best views as you ski into the village. There you have it, Tranquility, and in my opinion, the ski run with the best views of the village. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the slopes.